Hi, I really thank Alkaline water. I'm Roopa from Bangalore. I have been using Alkaline water from almost 2022 onwards after second wave of COVID. I used to spend a lot on the beauty creams and frequent to beauty parlors. I have heard about alkaline water improving the hydration of water by 3x during the demo. I liked it and bought it, and now I can see my skin health improved. I have a good glow on my face and skin. My internal organs health also improved. I have good sleep cycle and reduced weight also. कुछ बोलने बोल के नहीं, but seriously इसका बहुत ज़्यादा फ़ायदा हुआ मुझे. I am really happy sharing my experience. Hope it helps others.